Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice rolls. First, gather your fresh ingredients including rice paper wrappers, crisp lettuce, shredded carrots, and your preferred protein like cooked shrimp or tofu. A key step is preparing a delicious dipping sauce, often featuring peanut butter, hoisin, and a touch of chili. Proper hydration of your rice paper is crucial for easy rolling. This guide will walk you through each step for perfect, flavorful rolls every time. For your rice rolls, select thin rice vermicelli noodles and cook them according to package directions. Chop fresh vegetables like cucumber, bell peppers, and cilantro into thin, uniform strips, about 2 inches long. Cook your chosen protein such as shrimp, chicken, or tofu, ensuring it is fully prepared and cooled. Finally, whisk together your dipping sauce using about 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of hoisin, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. To assemble, soak one rice paper wrapper in warm water for about 15 seconds until it becomes pliable. Carefully lay the softened wrapper flat on a clean, damp cutting board. Arrange a small amount of your prepared filling ingredients, including noodles, vegetables, and protein, in the center of the bottom third of the wrapper. Fold the sides inward, then roll tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat, compact roll. Repeat for remaining ingredients. Serve your freshly made rice rolls immediately to enjoy their best texture and flavor. Arrange the rolls attractively on a platter alongside your prepared dipping sauce. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh herbs like mint or cilantro. These light and refreshing rolls make a wonderful appetizer or a satisfying light meal. They are perfect for sharing and offer a delightful combination of fresh ingredients and savory sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.